Carlos versus Adam and Spencer. That's Carlos, the big guy. Goliath. Knock him, rock him, sock him. Oh, that would have been lightning.
Come on, throw a punch!
Watch Adam go down. Like one hit. Oh, I told you it's slippery over there, dog. I'm starting to lose you. Oh, no, you're back.
Come on, go, Adam!
Get in there, Carlos. He's nothing.
Oh my god, this fight is boring.
Oh, body shot from Spencer.
Well, I don't want to slip and fall.
Attempted douche shot from Adam.
Why keep on looking at me? This fight is boring. Target.
He is Adam.
This fight is boring.
Come back into the light. Come into the light. Steal on him.
Oh.
Ooh. Carlos can do it. He can take him. He's a savage. See a couple body shots in here. Oh. Shut up, Adam. Someone's gonna call the cops. It's like 3 o'clock in the morning.
He's like solid.
Just go for him. Get in there. Come on. Am I seriously wasting my time?
Really?
I don't think I am. Come on, you guys. We have like 10 minutes of battery. Not even like 5. Carlos, unleash the beast. Do it. Come on. We know you got some insane powers. Ooh.
Oh, I tried those hits, man. Let me see him one-on-one. Come on, boy. We want to get caught.
Oh, looks like Spencer got rocked. Ooh.
That's a little comparison.
Yeah! No, one-on-one.
Too loud.
He has to watch someone call the cops. I'll just walk away.
I'll save you.
This camera weighs like 5 pounds. Holy shit.
Come on, Adam.
Just go crazy! Go crazy! Oh, he got you. Oh, he got you, Adam. Oh. Here we go. Get in there, Adam. Help him out. He got you back. Yeah, your shoulder more like your head. Should have fallen off after that. Oh. Oh. I know, he's doing all the work. Battery's gonna die. Hurry up. Let's see something. Hurry. Make it happen. Make it happen, Captain. Get jumped. Is that game? Round?
What?
The game? Or round? Or over? Match? No? Or no?
Damn.
He doesn't give up. Keeps coming.
Ready?
It's still blinking.
What?
You over? Yeah.